The system is virtually maintenance-free, but there are a few things that need to be maintained throughout the course of the day, week, month, or year. Hydraulic fluid on the power unit needs to be checked daily prior to use. You can do this by simply looking in the front sight glass. The hydraulic fluid level should be visible from the bottom to about midway up the sight glass when the unit is cold. During warmer temperatures, after the hydraulic power unit has been running, the hydraulic level should be a little bit higher than midway up the glass. If you cannot visibly see the hydraulic fluid in the sight glass, you will have to add the proper amount of hydraulic fluid by removing the fill plug at the top of the power unit, filling the hydraulic fluid reservoir on the power unit until the hydraulic fluid is visible in the sight glass. The oil filter for the hydraulic power unit should be changed every 6 months during heavy use, at least once a year during normal operations. This is your bin mount assembly. During use, it will have to be greased at least weekly using the lower and upper grease zerks, providing 1 to 2 pumps of grease into the post to keep it moving freely. Occasionally, the positioning gear and worm gear will have to have grease added to it to just better assist with the positioning of the boom. During use, your hose reel shaft bushing needs to be greased daily. Provide 1 to 2 pumps of grease into the grease zerk located on the upper left-hand side of the hose reel shaft. To check the fluid level in your gearbox, there is a sight glass. The oil should be visibly halfway up through the sight glass. If the oil is not visible, 80W-90 weight oil will have to be added to the gearbox. The standard hydraulic whip head requires very minimal maintenance. Clean the hydraulic couplers before and after each use to make sure no dirt and debris gets inside of the lines working its way to the power unit. You also need to slide the whip head body up, removing any packed in or loose material from inside of the whip head. And finally, it is very important to make sure that you store the whip head with the cover on. Now, if you own a dual impact whip head, the maintenance schedule is much different than what the standard hydraulic whip head is. The hydraulic fluid needs to be changed more often than what our standard does. The seals inside of the gearbox in the dual impact whip head have to be changed as well. Please see your technical manual for more details on the maintenance schedule of the dual impact whip head.